Hi, Amanda again from Creative Pouring. Right, I'm just going to put this on the end of that other video with this weird paint, and I've got this paint left, so I'm going to do something with it. Whether it's going to work out or not, I don't know. So what I've done on another old canvas, I've just put some white there, a little bit watered down from what I had before, and then I have watered down so they're not as thick all these paints. So gold, red permanent, violet, Naples yellow, just watered. They've all got silicone in these, and I've just watered them down a little bit, and burnt umber, and I'm going to layer them in the middle, she said, hopefully. And actually I might just put a little bit more white. Bear with me, I'm just going to put a little bit more white in the middle, I think. I'm just going to put, do that. Bear with me, just decided this hasn't got any silicone in, but I just wanted to put a little bit more in the middle, I think. This hasn't got any, okay, let's just do that and just get that covered, so it's all covered. There you go, I think that'd be better. Right. Okay, let's just whack that down. Cover that up. Oh, okay, and we'll go from there. Right then, so let's just put this layer of brown. Okay. There's no rhyme or reason to what I'm doing. I'm just going to go with the flow. I think I'm going to swipe from the middle out, but with a difference. So let's just put this Naples yellow down. And then, depending how this goes, either that PVA glue gets thrown in the bin, or it's get miraculously saved by the skin of its teeth. And we'll whack that in the middle. No idea what I'm doing. Now, this gold, whack there, I think, and there. Okay. Right, now, oh, big blobby bit. Oh, more blobby bit. As you can tell, excuse me, I'm just going to try and do this fast before the old puppy starts his I want out routine. Okay. Okay, so that's all the old paint done and dusted. Now, I do have a little bit of this left. I might just squirt that on the end just to show really, which is a bit of a mixture from the pour. Let's put that in the end there. Don't want to waste any paint, do we? Okay. Right, now. Right, that's all that done, that's all that done. That is that done, that is that done. Okay, so I'm now, this is my white swipe, which is a little bit large, so I'm going to put that down the middle. Like that, and then I'm going to do this little darling. See what happens. Right, okay. Right, here we go. Mr. Swipey Swipe. Swipe, swipe. This might not work. Let's just move that away. Can you see? I'm just going to move it. Oh, yeah, that way a bit, so I can just do this bit first. Right mess today. Right, okay, here we go. So I'm going to stick that in there like that. I'm going to like that. And I'm going to go. Okay. And let's turn it round, turn it round, turn it round, so you can see what I'm doing. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Okay. And I might just like that. Like that. Oh, I like that colour. Yummy, yummy. And oh, I had to ruin the last one, didn't I? Oh, man alive, you silly girl. Bear with me. Oh well, just leave it like that. Yeah, I might need that paint just to. Okay, let's see if anything happens. See if we get any sounds. I've got lots of balls, know that much. I might have to just leave this. Come on. Come on, Salage. You can do it. There's enough cells in there for something to happen. Just need to warm it up a bit because the paint. I tried to thin it down, so it should come up. Loads of bubbles. I think I need a bit of gas refill. Bear with me. Alright. Oh, we have power. Right, come on then, little darlings. Pop. Just like that, like that, like that. coming out there. I might have to just paint the sides of this one because it's well, there you go. Let's see, do I need to just tip you down a bit? Just get you all in. I'm going to go a little bit more just to see if I can get any cells up here. As I say, it was, well, even though I thinned it down, it seemed quite... I would ruin that last little bit there, never mind. Oh, things are coming up. Come on, you can do it, little darlings. Come on, little souls. You can come up. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. You can do it. Okay. I don't think it's much. Let's just see if we can tilt any. Oh, gosh. Do I want to tilt? Do I? Do I? No, not really. Let's just. Oh, do I? Do I want to tilt? Because that white, of course, is a lot thinner. I think I shall leave it, and then I'll just paint the sail at the sides. That's quite funky though. I quite like that one. Can you see it? It looks darker on the camera, darker here than it is here, but I think it's just because of my shadow. Is that any better? Well, as I say, we shall see when it dries. But the colours I think are a lot better on here than they are on the original Weird and Wonderful one. But I'm going to do something with the sides. So I'll take a photograph after about half an hour, I think, when the sails have maybe grown a little bit more, if they are going to grow at all. And yeah, well, you'll see when it dries. Okay, have a good evening again. It's Amanda, over and out.